Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you 7 reasons why you might consider joining Sparky AI. And I'm going to do my best to keep this one short, so no 20-minute videos. I know sometimes I get a little carried away. So I'm going to go pretty fast on this one. Number one, it's free, open source. So it's a free system. You don't have to pay a cent to join it. In fact, you can just go right to the link in my description of my video. Click on that link, go right here where it says get your free trial, fill in the details, and congratulations, you have a free dashboard that you can actually put 2 of your own income streams into. Number two, you can earn residual and high ticket commissions even as a free member. And this is absolutely incredible to me because, I've been making money online for over 13 years. I've always had to pay to play. And if there is anything that is free, it doesn't pay what this pays. Like it doesn't have the potential to pay what this pays. Usually a free program pays very little. In fact, like I've talked to so many people over the years and I've always wanted to help them. Like I hate seeing people in bad positions. I don't believe it needs to be that way, especially with all these incredible opportunities we have at our disposal, and all we have to do is do just a little bit of work. Like it boggles my mind why anybody wouldn't do this. I mean, you do it from home, it's free, and you can earn residual and even high ticket commissions all the way up to over $8,000 commissions as a free member. Like you didn't pay anything. You can make multiple streams of income. This is number three. Make multiple streams of income without confusion, overwhelm. So let's talk about this part because I think it's important to understand. One of the mistakes the majority of people out there in internet land, online marketing land, right? Making money online land, what they like to do is they like the idea of multiple streams of income, so what they do is they join a bunch of different programs, but they don't know how to promote the programs. So there's all kinds of confusion and overwhelm that sets in. And I speak from experience because if you don't have a system in place where everything is very streamlined, where you're not going and talking about each company individually, where you're not trying to decide, oh, today I'll promote this company, or maybe you're having a conversation with someone, you're trying to figure out, oh, well, maybe this company will work better than this company, and you're trying to make decisions for the person, which you should never do, because you just never know what a person really wants. It can be very confusing. With this system, the automatic duplication system, it's not confusing at all. It's just in the system, we have a downline builder which creates fear of missing out, fear of loss. So people will go and purchase the income streams, which are very nominally priced. Like they intentionally looked for income streams that cost very little to get started and maintain, because the whole point of this is to help the little guy, to help the person that's down on their luck, that really just needs a real opportunity where they can get ahead. That's what this is about, and that's what it's designed to do. So it's designed to help you create now money and wow money. Wow money meaning legacy money. And that comes from the income streams that are in the system. Leads are followed up by Sparky AI. So one of the most important things in any business is to be following up with your leads. And it's one of the things that's most overlooked. Like majority of people I talk to don't follow up at all. Like they don't follow up. They're not consistent. And if you don't have some kind of CRM or some kind of system in place where you are following up with your leads, they're going to slip through the cracks. So Sparky AI goes and calls and texts and emails and voicemail broadcasts your leads for you so you don't have to, around the clock 24/7. So you could be at the beach, at the mall, at work, you could be at the movies. You could be enjoying dinner with your spouse or with your kids, with your family, on vacation. Like it doesn't matter. Sparky AI doesn't sleep. So this goes on all the time and is being done for you. Number five, the leads are closed and trained by a call center, 24/7 call center, standby call center. Literally, what happens here is when a person comes through your funnel, you show you the funnel, actually getting a new funnel. They announced it yesterday on the call. We have calls every week, and a brand new funnel looks amazing. And that's one of the things you don't pay for either is these funnels are updated regularly, designed to convert your leads to sales. And they're very catchy, they're very eye-catching, and they're just very well done. So you don't have to create these pages, you just share the page. That's it. So let's go back. Leads are closed, trained by a 24/7 call center. So the leads are going to be giving an opportunity. You will be given an opportunity to talk to the call center, to have a one-on-one coaching session. So as soon as you come in, so as soon as you come to this page, click here, enter your details. As soon as you come there, you're going to get a call from Sparky. Okay, you're going to get texted. You're going to get reminded to come back here and do your one-on-one coaching session. You're going to also have the opportunity to book it if you can't do it, right? So what's going to happen on this one-on-one coaching session? You're going to get all your questions answered. Now think about this. Your leads are doing the same thing. They're getting their questions answered. They're being shown how to set everything up. So it benefits everybody. It saves you time and it's going to make you more money. So it's a beautiful thing. And no other company, by the way, has that. I have not seen one single other company, online company, that has that. In fact, we have better support than huge companies. Like you get dropped into a Zoom room and talk to a real person, work with a real person from the beginning. That's unheard of. Number six, your only job is to promote your link. The rest is done for you. So if you could share your page, like for example, I make videos. You don't have to put your face on your video. I make videos. I reach out to people. I do curiosity posts. There's all kinds of ways to market. In fact, they just added a new way that's rolling out a whole new funnel based on a sticker. Okay, you're going to put a sticker on the back window of your car. I know it sounds silly, but this actually works. Put a sticker on the back window of the car, has a QR code, and as you drive, you park your car, you drive your car, whatever, people go to the QR code, they're going to go into a full funnel where they are going to have to go into the call center to get the sticker. They are going to have to be qualified to get the sticker. And when people start putting these on their car, there's like a 2, 3 step process for this to happen. Now you have someone that's locked in because they're not just going to go rip that sticker off their car. Like it's on their car. And now they're plugged into a full funnel done for them, hands free. Like it cannot be any more simple than putting a sticker on your car. So that's just one of the other marketing methods that are available. That's actually my number 7 reason. Okay, so there are other reasons as well. I just really wanted to simplify it in this video. It's a very powerful system. It has all kinds of leverage points put in it. It's free to join, it's free to earn. Yes, there are benefits to becoming a paid member, and you can do that. And if you become a paid member, there are different levels. You can get leads with those, and Sparky AI will be following up with those leads. And the call center, this was just announced, will be doing outbound calls to the leads. The call center will be doing text messages and voicemail drops to the leads to do everything possible to convert them into sales. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like what you see, you want to experience this amazing system, this very powerful and leveraged system without even having to pay, go to the link in my description. Right below the videos, there's a button. Click here, enter in your details, and make sure you go through the call center so you get all your questions answered, so you can be set up for success from the very beginning. And that's exactly what you want anybody else that comes through your link to be doing. So thank you for watching. I appreciate you. See you on the next one.